So I filmed this recipe because currently here in Ghana, tomatoes are out of season and as such are very expensive. So this recipe will come in handy during such seasons. Stay with me. Believe it or not, this is 40 cedis worth of tomatoes. The tomatoes got to fill just the bottom section of my saucepan, okay? Like just one layer of tomatoes. Oh. But anyway, I went ahead to add in some chopped beetroot, and then I went in with some spring onions or scallions, whatever you want to call them. And without water, I'm going to cover this and allow it to steam. This recipe also makes a perfect substitute for your regular tomato paste or tomato puree you buy in the stores. And it's more flavorful, okay? So as you can see, I'm checking on my ingredients in the pot. As you can see, water has begun to get extracted from my vegetables, okay? So I'm going to cover and then allow it to continue steaming. And this is on low heat, if I've not said that already, okay? So after 15 minutes in total, this is what we have now, more water. So what I'm going to do is to cover again and allow a bit of the water to get evaporated, and then we'll take it from there. So after a total of 30 minutes on low heat, this is what we have here. I'm going to turn off my heat and then allow this to cool completely and blend into a smooth paste. There's no need to add water because of the liquid that has been generated from all the vegetables. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to try this flavorful substitute for your tomato paste, and it tastes amazing in soups and stews. I'll share a recipe in my next video. If this is your first time here, hello, please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And thank you also to my returning subscribers. All of you, please like, leave a comment down below and share once you're done watching, and keep blooming.